We pray for better days.
Hi everyone, in this video I will create a Linux virtual machine on the Windows 10 operating system, or in simple, how you can run Linux Ubuntu on your system with your existing Windows 10 operating system. So in this way you can use both Ubuntu and Windows 10 OS simultaneously. For installation you must have the image file of Ubuntu and Oracle VM setup. I will show you where to download the Ubuntu ISO file and Oracle VM setup. You can check download links which I already mentioned in the description box. Now I am downloading the Oracle VM. Click on the first link. Now click on download. Now the file is getting downloading. Meanwhile I will tell you how the virtual machine actually works. So in this method Windows 10 act as a host operating system and Ubuntu act as a guest OS. So this features enabled by the hypervisor. So with the hypervisor you can successfully run and monitor concurrent virtual machines on a host on the same hardware. Here you can see in my download folder, I have already downloaded the ISO file of Ubuntu. The same you have to download from the link which I shared in the description box. The ISO file size is around 1.6 GB. Click on next, next, next. Now the installation will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Now you have to click new. You have to type the name of the machine. Select the memory size. Now start. Here you have to add the Ubuntu ISO file. Click on add. Select the ISO file. Now just follow the same step as I am doing. Here you need to create your account. This account will act as a super user or admin account. It will take around 20 to 30 minutes to complete the installation of Ubuntu. Enter your password. So now you can see the desktop of Ubuntu. Open the terminal once. Thank you for watching this video. I will keep posting this type of videos, so before you go, please like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.